A single Lockheed Martin F35 Lightning II contains over 24,000 integrated circuits. Many of these essential processors are fabricated exclusively by the Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company in Hsinchu. Without these specific 5-nanometer nodes, the world's most advanced fighter jet remains grounded. The core of the aircraft's sensory perception is the Northrop Grumman AN/APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar. It relies on high-performance field-programmable gate arrays provided by Xilinx, a company that utilizes Taiwan Semiconductor's leading-edge manufacturing processes. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company holds over 50% of the global foundry market share. In the specialized segment of advanced logic chips below 7 nanometers, their market dominance exceeds 90%, creating a singular point of failure for global defense supply chains. Advanced fighter systems require immense computational power with minimal energy consumption. This efficiency is only possible through extreme ultraviolet lithography at the 5 and 3 nanometer scales. Currently, Taiwan is the only location capable of high-volume production for these specific defense requirements. Unlike Intel or Samsung, Taiwan Semiconductor operates as a pure-play foundry. They do not design their own chips, which eliminates competition with their customers. This neutral business model attracted defense contractors like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, who require secure, conflict-free manufacturing. To mitigate geopolitical risk, the company is investing $40 billion in Arizona for Fab 21. This facility aims to bring 5 and 4 nanometer production to United States soil, specifically targeting the security needs of the Department of Defense and domestic aerospace firms. The United States CHIPS and Science Act provides billions in subsidies to ensure domestic semiconductor resiliency. Taiwan Semiconductor's participation is critical for this strategy, as it secures the domestic production of chips used in missile guidance systems and secure military communications. Manufacturing defense-grade silicon requires strict adherence to international traffic in arms regulations. Taiwan Semiconductor must maintain rigorous security protocols within its fabs to ensure that sensitive design data for the F-35 mission computers never leaves authorized secure environments. Secure enclaves within the manufacturing process prevent the theft of sensitive architecture. Each chip design for the F-35 is partitioned so that even the foundry staff cannot see the full functionality of the integrated circuit, maintaining tactical superiority through design secrecy. The silicon shield theory suggests that Taiwan Semiconductor's importance to both China and the United States prevents military conflict. If the fabs were destroyed, the global economy and United States defense capabilities would suffer immediate and catastrophic degradation, providing a unique form of deterrence. Fabricating a single wafer takes up to 4 months and involves over 1,000 process steps. For defense programs, this long lead time means that any disruption in Taiwan could delay the production of new F-35 airframes by years, not just months. Modern air superiority is defined by software and processing power. The F-35 runs on over 8 million lines of code. This software requires the massive transistor density provided by Taiwan Semiconductor's 5-nanometer process to execute real-time sensor fusion during high-speed maneuvers. The BAE Systems AN/ASQ-239 electronic warfare suite provides the F-35 with situational awareness and offensive jamming. These systems require extremely low-latency signal processing, which is currently only achievable with the advanced silicon nodes produced in Taiwan. The aircraft's mission computer is the brain of the F-35, coordinating flight controls and weapon systems. It utilizes high-end multi-core processors that must be manufactured with incredible precision to survive the extreme vibration and temperature fluctuations of supersonic flight. The F-35 Gen 3 helmet-mounted display system replaces the traditional heads-up display. It projects flight data and sensor imagery directly onto the visor. This requires high-speed graphical processing units manufactured by companies that rely on Taiwan Semiconductor's advanced nodes. 6 infrared cameras are distributed around the aircraft to provide a 360-degree view. Processing 6 high-resolution video streams simultaneously requires massive throughput. This bottleneck is solved by high-bandwidth memory and custom silicon fabricated by Taiwan Semiconductor. Sensor fusion combines data from radar, infrared, and electronic sensors into one coherent picture. This task is computationally expensive. The high transistor count enabled by Taiwan Semiconductor's 3-nanometer technology allows the F-35 to identify targets before they even know they are being tracked. The F-35 is essentially a flying supercomputer. Edge computing at the tactical front requires chips that can process trillions of operations per second. Taiwan Semiconductor's ability to deliver this performance in a small form factor is the primary reason for the United States military dependency. As chips get smaller, heat density increases. Taiwan Semiconductor's advanced material science allows for better thermal conductivity in the silicon substrate. This prevents the mission computer from throttling performance during intense combat scenarios where processing loads reach their peak. Chips at high altitudes are vulnerable to cosmic radiation, which can cause bit flips and system crashes. While the designs are specialized, the underlying manufacturing process at Taiwan Semiconductor must be robust enough to support the layering of protective structures required for military flight certification. Lockheed Martin manages thousands of suppliers, but most of their electronic subcomponent manufacturers, such as Texas Instruments or Honeywell, eventually lead back to Taiwan. This creates a hidden dependency where the top-level contractor may not even have direct contact with the primary foundry. The defense industry has adopted just-in-time manufacturing to reduce costs. However, for critical semiconductors, this leaves no buffer for geopolitical instability. A blockade of the Taiwan Strait would halt F-35 production within weeks due to the lack of specialized inventory. Hsinchu Science Park is the heart of Taiwan Semiconductor's operations. Its proximity to mainland China makes it a high-value target in any potential conflict. The United States military is currently analyzing how to maintain the F-35 fleet if these facilities become inaccessible. Taiwan is seismically active. A major earthquake can ruin months of production by vibrating lithography machines that require nanometer precision. Taiwan Semiconductor has invested billions in advanced seismic dampening technology to ensure their cleanrooms remain stable during geological events, protecting the global chip supply. A single speck of dust can destroy a circuit at the 5-nanometer scale. Taiwan Semiconductor's cleanrooms are 10 times cleaner than a surgical operating room. The cost to build and maintain these environments is a significant barrier to entry for any competitor attempting to break their monopoly. Manufacturing semiconductors requires millions of gallons of ultra-pure water every day for cleaning wafers. Taiwan Semiconductor has developed advanced recycling systems to mitigate the risk of droughts, ensuring that water scarcity does not interrupt the delivery of critical components for United States defense programs. Semiconductor fabs are the most power-intensive buildings on Earth. A momentary voltage drop can lead to the loss of an entire batch of wafers. Taiwan Semiconductor's massive demand for stable electricity is a primary factor in Taiwan's national energy policy and infrastructure planning. The success of Taiwan Semiconductor is built on a highly disciplined workforce of thousands of specialized engineers. This concentration of expertise is difficult to replicate in the United States, posing a challenge for the Arizona expansion as the company struggles to find enough qualified technicians. Legacy defense contractors once manufactured their own chips, but the escalating cost of fab construction made vertical integration impossible. By outsourcing to Taiwan Semiconductor, the defense industry gained access to superior technology, but traded away its self-sufficiency, creating the current strategic dependency. Samsung is the only other company currently capable of producing 5-nanometer chips. However, their internal demand for consumer electronics often takes priority over low-volume military orders. This makes them a risky secondary source for the Lockheed Martin supply chain compared to Taiwan Semiconductor. Intel is attempting to regain its lead by offering foundry services to the Department of Defense. While promising for the future, Intel currently lacks the high-volume yield and established track record that Taiwan Semiconductor has perfected over 3 decades of dedicated foundry focus. A single 12-inch wafer produced at the 3-nanometer node can cost over $20,000. For defense applications, where yields must be nearly perfect for flight safety, the effective cost per usable chip is significantly higher than in the consumer smartphone market. High yield rates are the secret to Taiwan Semiconductor's profitability. If a fab has low yields, the price of the F35 increases because the cost of wasted silicon must be absorbed. The efficiency of Taiwan's manufacturing directly impacts the United States defense budget. Fighter jets serve for 30 years, but chip generations change every 2 years. Taiwan Semiconductor works with defense partners to ensure long-term availability of legacy nodes, preventing the F-35 from becoming obsolete due to a lack of replacement parts for its aging electronics. The threat of counterfeit chips is a major concern for military hardware. By using a single trusted foundry like Taiwan Semiconductor, the Department of Defense can maintain a secure chain of custody, ensuring that no compromised or malicious hardware is installed in the F-35 fleet. Advanced manufacturing allows for physical security features to be baked into the silicon. Taiwan Semiconductor can implement hardware-based root of trust and encrypted storage areas that protect the jet from cyber attacks, making the silicon itself the first line of defense against electronic warfare. Chip performance is no longer just about the size of the transistors, but how they are packaged. Taiwan Semiconductor's chip-on-wafer-on-substrate technology allows different types of chips to be stacked together. This is vital for the F-35's high-speed data processing units. The next generation of military hardware will use chiplet architectures. Instead of one large chip, multiple smaller specialized dies are connected. Taiwan Semiconductor is the leader in this field, ensuring that future upgrades to the F-35 will remain at the cutting edge of technology. The F-35 Block 4 upgrade includes a complete refresh of the core processor. This update is necessary to keep pace with evolving threats. The production of these new processors is entirely dependent on Taiwan Semiconductor's ability to scale their latest 2-nanometer production lines. Technology Refresh 3 is the foundational hardware for future capabilities. It provides the processing power for improved electronic warfare and cockpit displays. The delays in this hardware rollout highlight how sensitive the F-35 program is to the timing of semiconductor manufacturing cycles. The concentration of advanced manufacturing in one location is a textbook strategic choke point. While the United States designs the best aircraft, the physical realization of that design is outsourced. This creates a paradox where military superiority is held by a civilian company in a disputed territory. To counter short-term disruptions, the Department of Defense is stockpiling critical chips. However, because silicon technology moves so quickly, these reserves can become obsolete. This necessitates a continuous and stable relationship with Taiwan Semiconductor to keep the F-35 fleet flight-ready. Looking ahead to 2030, the dependency on Taiwan will likely increase as sixth-generation fighters emerge. These future platforms will require even more transistors and more advanced packaging, further entrenching the bond between the United States defense industrial base and Taiwan Semiconductor's foundries. The F-35 is a marvel of engineering, but its true strength lies in its silicon. The dependency on Taiwan Semiconductor is not just a business choice, but a core component of modern national security. The survival of the air superiority mission depends on the stability of a small island.